Welcome back. Alright guys, today we are going to create an image using Nano Banana AI. Let's go to the official website and explore the features this platform offers. And write Nano Banana AI. Yep, this is website, official website, and is basic navbar, image editor, showcase, toolbox, batch editor, background remover, and features, pricing, and API. And you can see try the AI editor here. Image to image, you can upload reference image 9, and with 9 image from you, and main prompt you can generate image to image, and you can use text to image, and you choose your models: Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, and Seed Dream 4. This is for Pro Planet. And write main prompt and generate, and you can see output gallery here. Okay, we wanna showcase gallery. This is all of gallery, and prompt you can see here, and Nano Banana pricing, but USD dollars, monthly, basic $50, $39, and max $160, 4,016 credits monthly. Subscribe now. And I use this plan, Pro plan, in my API and VS Code. And when you click here API, you must write your email and or Gmail, and after that you take a token for API, and you can use in VS Code and use in your models. Here we go. This is my models panel. I use API with VS Code to manage and generate together. Image production, Nano Banana, choose. Okay, we wanna create a funny and cinematic image with Bugatti Veyron, Bugatti Chiron, and Transformers body. And let's go create once of image. I attach Bugatti Chiron and Bugatti and Transformers, and write a prompt with cinematic ultra details from ChatGPT. Just I copy and paste, and you can see a cinematic ultra details sense showing several transformer robots inspired by a Bugatti Chiron standing side by side. Okay, this is my prompt, and I share with you in my post in AI Generative Sky post section. You can find here, and press button to generate. Okay, Gemini 2.5 flash image. My API get this model for image production. Okay, I render, and you can reading my prompt is important. You can find options and a tip in people's prompt and you understand how to work. Blue and machinery, that is bad. And we created Optimus Prime pictures and Bugatti Veyron, and use again of this prompt, and you can write new prompt and generate. Okay, it's good and not bad. And use a face of the Bugatti Veyron, and this picture not used. Okay, we try again. Optimus Prime and Bugatti Chiron, and use again from this prompt and generate. Yes, accept image production. Okay, you're ready, and you can see use face of car. Okay, not bad, and but not very good and real. Okay, we created a 3 image with Gemini 2.5, and this model use with Nano Banana, and this is a result, and I posted a prompt in my post section in channel. We change some details from images, and okay, I uploaded 2 pictures. I tell to ChatGPT change background. I need a movie atmosphere and a city light for this generation. Okay, press button. Gemini 2.5 flash image. This is my prompt and image production. You can see ChatGPT app, media use, my file, and this prompt sent by API to Gemini, and result back is this prompt, and asks from me, are you accept, and image generate production is ready, and I confirm that. Wow, nice. This is good result, and I accept for my video. Okay, let's go generate again with Veyron. This is Bugatti Chiron and Veyron Bugatti and Optimus Prime, and this prime. Very important, what is your right? Are you have a good prompt and many details and perfect options, or not? Good result and funny. It's very white correct. Okay, good result, and I accept and like, and you can download. I download that, download that, download that, and download that. If you have a question, you can ask me in comments. This time we combined the Bugatti Troubling with Optimus Prime. I used 2 pictures and this prompt AI details from ChatGPT and get back this result. In New York City, the result looks absolutely insane at it's a perfect mix of luxury car design and transformer power. Just look at the details. You can actually see how the front gears and helmet of the Troubling become part of the Optimus Prime chest armor and luxury mode. I really love to Nano Banana. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and give me a little push so I can create even better video for everyone and especially for myself. Stay energetic, creative, and keep exploring new idea. Have a good time, my friends. Bye.